I don't hear Valerie anymore.
She didn't bring help, we know that much.
Either she's dead, too, or you think she's in with that guy? I can't believe that. Kind of an extreme reaction to not being invited to the party, wouldn't you say?
When she called down before, when Jackie... I don't know what to think.
God, that was so horrible. What happened to her?
I can't stop thinking about it.
Well, maybe we shouldn't talk about it.
Oh, God. Maybe Diane went to get help. If we ever get through.
Courtney. Courtney? Courtney!
What happened? What's wrong?
Come on. There's no one here. Let's lock up the house and go home.
Boy, was this a wash.
Yeah, the party must have gone someplace else.
Well, I think we ought to get something out of this. Let's raid the fridge.
Come on. I want to get out of here. I don't know what it is, but something about this house gives me the creeps.
Spoil sport. I never have any fun. Just one little beer.
Courtney, you're underage. Negative, but come on, let's go. Courtney, come on. Courtney.